Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Lenovo Vantage for maximum performance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is simply head over to your start menu and then type in Lenovo Vantage and open up the application. Then once you're inside the Lenovo Vantage application, what you need to do here is simply check for updates. Simply tap on check for updates and download the latest version or install updates of iOS drivers and firmware, and ensure your laptop runs efficiently and prevents performance issues. Then next is to head over and select the gaming settings from the left hand menu, and once you're inside here, what you need to do is select thermal mode right here. Now as you select the thermal mode, you'll be provided with a bunch of options. In order to have a high performance, simply select the performance mode, which boosts your computer performance with higher fan speed and power consumption, and performance mode is applicable only when the AC power adapter is plugged in. You can also head over to your settings by simply pressing the Windows plus I or opening the start menu and the search bar, typing in settings. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select system, and once you're inside here, select power and battery. Then once you're inside the power and battery, here on the power mode, simply select it. And now once you are inside here, select best power efficiency or best performance, which gives you higher performance. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.